360 merch. Boom, shabow, shabang. I see that logo. This logo is fire. Here, so I actually did do an unboxing. So go to the video on my Instagram and go watch that unboxing video because it was pretty lit. Actually, I might put it in the intro, matter of fact. But right here, this is probably going to be one of my favorite brushes because it's premium board bristle. Like, if anybody knows, a lot of brushes have nylon on them, but this is premium board bristle. So this is like straight board, and it's a wooden brush. You can see the logos on it. Look at the outline of that. It's on. You look at it. Look at the, yeah. 360 merch really did their thing because the way that it hits your angles. Look, if you don't know, if you're a corset waver and you want to get a medium texture look, you want to get that coarse medium texture look, you got to pick up a medium brush. If you don't pick up a medium brush, then your pattern is not going to get those wider curls. Like, you got tight curls right now. You need a medium brush and you need to brush slow. That's how you're going to widen your curls. I'm telling you, I'm literally showing you how I did it. Go to 360 merch right now and cop this brush. But keep watching the video because I got a surprise for you at the end. So the next thing that I'm going to go in detail with is the crown brush. I like the presentation that they got on this. It's pretty cool for real. It's really not just, it's just a box with a logo, but it's a really like classic type of logo. It looks like it's actually quality. So I'm going to take this out the box. All right. 360 merch. I hope that's focused. Hope y'all can see that. This crown is like a medium bristle, so honestly, you can use it on any part of your head, right? Remember that it's just a crown brush, but you do want to use it mainly for your crown. But I do like this crown brush. I've never actually had a crown brush like this, so I'm really looking forward to using this, and I'm definitely going to bring y'all a review with this product. But it's just a crown brush. It's not much to say about it, so let's go on to the next one. We got the MCM 360 merch designer rag. All right, I'm actually going to bring this one off the pack. Y'all see that? Feel nice and silky. Oh, I actually did used to have this, but it wasn't as silky as this one. This one extra silky, and it got a longer tape. I mean, a longer cape. Do y'all see the silkiness in there? Hold on, listen, look. You can tell how silky it is by how it moves. Look, sheesh. So that's the MCM do-rag, right? Now, 360 merch, they do have a variety of do-rags. They got a lot of different designer do-rags. But this next designer do-rag, I've never seen it before. And it's a collab that I've never seen happen before. Like, I don't even think I want to say anything about it. I just want to open it and just show y'all because this joint right here, listen, I'm having a hard time getting it open. But this is bait, right? This is bait. But do y'all see the collab? Look at the silky, look at the interior of the do-rag. If you watching this right now, bro, I need you to think about this. Imagine a fit that you could throw on with your shorty with this. Just think about it. Think about the fit that you could put together with this do-rag. They wouldn't even know where it came from. All you gotta do is tell them to go to 360 merch. All right, it's getting closer to the end of the video, but I got one last surprise for y'all. Reviewed the brushes. We reviewed the do-rags. The 360 merch moisturizer. Look. A lot of people don't have products and do-rags and brushes, but 360 merch does. Like I said, you can follow their Instagram, their Twitter, and their Facebook. All right. Now, before I get into opening it and all that, because I know y'all see me fidgeting, I want to open it so bad, like I'm twisting it, because I want to show y'all. Let's get into the ingredients, right? Now, if y'all been following me, y'all know that these are amazing ingredients, all right? shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, and essential oil. Listen, if you caught one of those samples that I had that one time, I used shea butter and mango butter in one of them, right? But I didn't use the coconut oil. So I'm excited to actually use this product. I actually think I'm gonna put this in my hair before the video is actually over. But I'm gonna leave my Linktree link in the description as well, so you can go and check that out and see what's on my Linktree link. I don't really talk about what's on my Linktree link in my video, so you can go to the description, you can actually click on it. But I'm going to leave the link for these items individually. But before I continue, don't forget to like the video, y'all. Drop a like, make sure you subscribe for the channel, and comment something so that, listen, I might be doing a giveaway or something. All right, so make sure you're the first one to comment on the video before. I'm telling you right now, the video not over yet, so go comment, be the first one, because you never know what the first commenter get. I'm just saying. I'm gonna read y'all the directions real quick. Ready? Hold on, let me get this to focus. Apply a small amount. You see that? It says apply a small amount. So remember that. If you're running through this quick, it's because you're not applying a small amount. Because over application, what does it say? Can result in buildup and clogged hair follicles. That means you're gonna get buildup. Just don't use a lot. Use a dime size amount. I'm gonna show y'all the masterpiece. Y'all see that? It looks like, it's like a cream. And then look at how it just, hold on, y'all. Let me do this one more time. Ready? Dramatic scene. All right. A dime size amount, I would say, on my hands. And I just want to feel how the coconut oil mixed in it actually feels in my hair, because I tried it. I tried this exact same product without, you know, the same essential oils, of course, but it smells really good. It smells like a pumpkin spice, make everything nice. Throw in a nice little babe do-rag. Hold on, I'm not gonna lie, this product smells good as hell. God. It remind me of PB the Goat first Goat Drip butter, the first one that he made, the OG. Medium brush. Hold on, y'all. We can get a nice little. We can get a quick little brush session before the video over. If you just watched the unboxing, good job. Because if you're still here, if you watched the end, thank you. You're about to get a surprise. All right. For all the other people who clicked off the video, they're not about to get the surprise. So as I brush my hair, I'm going to tell you, I did something special for y'all. All right. I thought about y'all too. I'm looking out for y'all. So if you go to 360merch.com right now and you cop either a medium brush, a crown brush, 360 merch, hair moisturizer, or even some designer silkies, you go to checkout, all right? And you use code Kiso, you will get a discount on your purchase. But with that being said, that's the end of the video. So if you like this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up. Like I said, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're new, check out some of my other videos. I'm going to let the outro play. And y'all be safe.
How about the car? Bow. I pull up and hop at the, ayy, ayy, ayy.